The term gender refers to roles and behaviors we learn from the time we are born. For example, we may be taught that girls are supposed to be passive, while boys are to be assertive leaders. Or that women should prepare to be mothers, secretaries, or nurses, while men prepare to be doctors or engineers. But these ideas we are taught about the aspirations and capabilities of girls and boys can exclude both girls and boys from equal opportunities in the classroom. Sometimes we might not even realize girls are being excluded. This classroom looks pretty normal, right? But notice how all the girls are in the back row and not being called on. Gender bias means favoring a person because they are either male or female in a way that is unfair. As teachers, we may be gender biased in many ways without even knowing it. When teachers learn to recognize gender bias and make changes, great things can happen for all our students. Even small changes can make a difference, like rearranging the classroom and giving girls the opportunity to contribute.